Have you ever felt nervous speaking English at the hospital? What if the doctor asks you questions and you don't know how to answer?
Today on English Planet, you will learn how to speak English confidently during a doctor visit.
Real conversation,
Real vocabulary?
real confidence.
Stay with us, and by the end of this video, you will be able to talk to a doctor in English without fear.
Let's begin. Good morning. Please come in.
Good morning, doctor.
Please have a seat. What seems to be the problem?
Thank you. I have been feeling unwell for the past 3 days.
I'm sorry to hear that. What symptoms are you experiencing?
I have a headache, a mild fever, and body pain.
I see. Do you also have a cough or sore throat?
Yes, I have a slight sore throat.
All right. Don't worry. We will figure it out. When did the symptoms start?
They started about 3 days ago.
Did the fever begin suddenly or gradually?
It started gradually.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how severe is your headache?
Maybe 6 out of 10.
Are you taking any medication?
I took some paracetamol yesterday.
Did it help?
Yes, but only for a few hours.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Are you getting enough rest?
Not really. I have been very busy at work.
All right, let me check your temperature. You have a mild fever. Please open your mouth and say, ah. Your throat looks slightly inflamed.
Is it serious?
No, it doesn't seem serious. It looks like a viral infection.
That's good to hear.
You just need proper rest, fluids, and medication.
How often should I take it?
Take 1 tablet twice a day after meals.
For how many days?
For 5 days.
Are there any side effects?
You may feel a little sleepy, but nothing serious.
All right. Should I avoid anything?
Yes, avoid cold drinks and oily food. Drink warm water and get plenty of rest.
Thank you, doctor. I feel much better now.
If your condition does not improve in 3 days, please come back.
Doctor, I was a little nervous speaking English, but now I feel more confident.
You spoke very well. Confidence comes from practice.
Thank you. I will keep practicing.
That's the spirit.
Did you see that? Speaking English is not about perfection. It's about communication.
Practice these sentences. Repeat them aloud. Act them out.
And remember, confidence comes from action.
Subscribe to English Planet and start speaking English today.
See you in the next lesson.
See you again.